And welcome back, everyone. We are doing a new, well, I think this is a follow-up video. We've done it before on AMC. This is a stock, New York Stock Exchange. AMC Theaters is a big theater company in the US if you're not from the US. We've done a video on this in the past, and I'm doing it again. There's a lot of rumors. Well, there were rumors back in the day that the CEO was going to put Bitcoin in the treasury, and this is what the reaction was. We've completely sold off underneath the level it was at when that announcement was come. And the reason why I'm bringing this to your attention is because I see some funny things in the chart, and might be an opportunity for us, might not. Let's find out in the long run. One thing is, when this big pump happened, you can see the volume over here on the bottom, right? It was pretty chill, nothing crazy. With this massive sell-off, you can see this insanely high volume node, and then following volume node after that, and then still continually pretty decently high volume of buys. All basically underneath the low of this previous level, underneath this volume node. So whoever is buying, I don't know who or what is going on, someone is doing some kind of accumulation where we are literally consolidating in a very flat range. Usually when stuff like this happens, you have a massive news article or a massive catalyst to do a parabolic pop. So whoever's shorting this stock better be aware that a short squeeze is building, and it's coming into the earnings, which is August 6th. Okay, so next month. So just be aware that, hey, I don't know what's going on. Something's going on, and that's what I'm trying to point out here on the monthly. We're going flat. Flat is good. Someone is accumulating. I think we're going to get a pop off, and when we get that pop off, like, my TP target is around like 30 bucks. So just be aware of that. Like, around 30 bucks will be like my final TP. Now, before we get the doodles and stuff going and the lower time frame analysis, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Press the thumbs up button so you get the notifications as they come out. Hit the like, leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how I'm doing, or if you would like another asset reviewed, let me know what the ticker is of that asset, if it's a stock or a crypto, and I'll get over it. And yes, if you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliates and services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you guys so much for your help and support. I really appreciate it. Shout out to you, Mr. Jasmine. I greatly appreciate your like almost 2 years now of being a member, and I hope it's been rewarding to you. So getting back to this now on the monthly, like we said, I was looking for that $30 target, but we've been accumulating this at $2.90 to $3. Around $3 we've been accumulating it. We're at 340. You're already in profit, and that was one of the levels that we were supposed to take profit on, guys. Let's turn this. Let me see if I did the writing on this one, or it's on my other chart. Yeah, it's on my other chart. The profit that we were supposed to take was at 341, I believe, or 340, I believe. We'll get into that. But here are the doodles. Here we are on the weekly chart, right? Now on the weekly, you can see we are basically just very tight consolidation. We're not really doing too much. We're just sticking around the $3. We had this beautiful pop up all the way to 11, rejected. We have not retested the $7 level yet, so that's something I want to look at. This blue doodle is the doodle I did as to what I think the price action will do in an inverse head and shoulder fashion, if that is what's going to happen, since this guy accumulated this. And today we are at above 340, and as long as we're above 325, I'm looking for a price to quickly go tag into the $5.60 area, $5.50, and then make a bull flag. Okay, so I'm looking for us to quickly come up here. Let's change that. I'm looking for a price to quickly come up here, get rejected. Okay, get rejected, make a flag, take liquidity, and then bust down up and continue this path, okay, into the next target of liquidity around here at 11.97, because this wick begs to be tested. This level begs to be tested, and that's why we're looking for that tap at the top of the ascending channel. Once this tap occurs, I can see us doing a harsh rejection, and then we have to find the momentum again to get back up there, okay, into the higher level. So that's what I'm looking for on the weekly, okay? This is a weekly, and this is going to take a long, long time to play out, almost into next year. But we have our plan set, and now we can trade accordingly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a lower time frame now. I'm going to turn off the doodles. As you can see on the weekly, this week is the first week we are above our resistance of 325. If we close underneath 325, be aware that we're going to go and drag this thing and fight it. And if there's any bad news on the markets, it will all, we can lose a lot, okay? So your logical stop loss should be under $2.35, because underneath that level we could go wherever. I can't even give you a logical level right now. I mean, I can give you some through fibs, but I'm not going to do all that because we don't want to look at that right now. Right now, everything right now is saying that we're going sideways. We were going down, we're going sideways, so a possible pivot is coming. I'm seeing an inverse head and shoulder accumulation schematic, so it's kind of giving me more of the confidence that a reversal is actually building for a test of resistance above us. Sorry, take all that off. And that's why I'm looking for this to be accumulated at 325. I'm looking for us to go to 550, 560. I'm expecting an immediate slap from that level from people taking profits if it comes. Then I will look for us to retest $3.25 area, find support there, confirm it, have it open and close above it with the weekly candle, and then I will target that 550 and above again. Then we're going to go to the 11 and whatnot. So this can take 2 to 3 months. After earnings comes out, if it's positive, I am looking for that big parabolic pop in August. So the rest of this month, we have to see, are we going to accumulate at that level? And if you go to a monthly again, monthly is in, you basically need to do the continuation. You need to do continuation above 408, 410, and then we need to get into 550 area for the monthly uptrend to start off. Right now is the first continuation candle after the bottom was put in. We had a engulfing. This is the first continuation of that engulfing. The engulfing, if we lose 50% of it, then we know that, hey, the failure rate is higher. Being above that 325 is giving us the confidence and assurance of uptrend continuation into the next level of resistance. That's what I'm trying to say. So now let's go to a daily. Here it is, how tight we are on the daily. As long as we're above 320, we're good. 309 is my end. I would love to add in that level, by the way. If we go to near $3 today, I will be accumulating it, okay? I will be buying it up until 3.9, 3.10, and I'll try to look to take profit above $4.30 and whatnot. So that's my plan. I'm looking for this triangle to form here, the base, and then on the base I'll buy it to take it up to take out the top in a uptrend zigzag fashion, okay, like ABC wave up. And that's basically all I can say for today for our lackluster, but still it's an uptrend. Everything EMAs are giving you the cross for uptrend confirmation. What we need to do is get the yellow and green above this purple. So once we start opening closing above 380, that's when we have another point in the book for upside parabolic, not a parabolic, but an upside short squeeze possibility being a more realistic, like this. You see, we squeeze, it push it down. Okay, finally got up. So we're just gonna squeeze here, and we can consolidate. I would like a higher low. I don't want this sequence of lower lows like in this bull flag consolidation. I don't even want us to come back into the 320s. I really don't. But if it happens, it happens. And just be aware that that's the risk that we have for this asset. Yes, we're buying it around $3, but our TP target is all the way at $11.97. Okay, $7 and 11. So that's basically 100% gain, 200% gain, right? From three. No, that would be 300%, and this is 100%. right? Yeah, something like that. So be aware of the possibility of this playing out, and I gave you the doodles as I see fit. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. If you want to trade with me live, please feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. This is where I expected the rejection. That's why I'm color coding this. So I expect it to get into this level and start getting into like iffy areas. This is where I look for the upside. And then the blue is the chill path if it doesn't want to do craziness. So that's how we're going to play this out. It's all color coded. We want the upside. We want the rejection here, pull back, find support on the $7, and then we're going to go for the 15. And that's after we've already accumulated here. So big W in the formation here. All right, thank you guys so much. Like I said, leave it in the comment section below. Leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notification, and let me know how I'm doing in these videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Be safe.